Ready to deal yourself in and learn how to animate a mesmerizing game of solitaire in Adobe After Effects. First, open After Effects and create a new composition, naming it Solitaire Animation. Let's set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 and about 20 seconds long. Next, we need card assets. You can find pre-made card PNGs online. Ensure both the front and back of a card are available. Now, import all your card images into your project window. Organize these images into a folder for easy access. Drag the back of the card onto your timeline. This will be our background card. Duplicate is card, so we have many. Rename one layer back card and the others with card names, for example, Ace of Spades, Two of Clubs, etc. Excellent. Now, to make it look realistic, stagger the card layers on the timeline. To simulate a deck, select all of the card faces and then randomly offset the start times of each card in the timeline. Let's animate the first card movement. Select one card face layer. Use the position property to move the card at keyframes at the beginning and end of the timeline to create a simple deal animation. Add some rotation to give it a little flair. Adjust the speed with the graph editor for a smoother animation. Time to copy that animation. Apply the animation to each one of your selected card face layers. Create a randomized animation. Stagger their start times and position to deliver a more natural shuffle feel. And just like that, you've created the basics. Let your imagination run wild. Build your solitaire UI and animate the card movements. With these fundamental techniques, you've unlocked the potential. Create a dynamic card game animation. Now, your turn to play and make your amazing solitaire game.